Hello, lovers of realistic miniatures! Doll princesses should have everything they need for a miniature makeup. How do we do this? In two hearts made of foam paper, cut the sharp tip from the bottom. Add a photo of Ariel and connect it with a narrow sidewall. With the help of a hole punch, make a hole on the heart of foam paper. Then make 6 more beautiful identical holes. Take the second lid from 3 layers and attach it to the green sidewall. Press the tips well. Fill the mugs with colorful shadows. Decorate the box with mother-of-pearl flowers. Add 2 strips of sparkling rhinestones. For Ariel, too, there is an ornament. The result is a lovely shadow for Barbie. Divide the plastic ampule in half. Cut off the long tip. On a thick layer of hot glue, put the workpiece, and we get the bottom. Carefully cut off the excess glue and fill the bottle with a colorless gel. Pour the blue sparkles and mix well. Insert a tube into the bottle. Make an additional hole in the second tube and attach the spout to the bottle. Decorate the blue lotion with a Cinderella sticker. Look at the beauty! The second gel is made pink. Glue the photo of Ariel. From a thin wire, cut the pieces, lay them out on the workpiece for the comb, smear with glue, and close the second half. Add the decor. Barbie is pleased with the comb. From transparent drops of hot glue, make stands for multicolored beads. Gold beads are collected in a column. Turquoise and white are decorated with silver flowers. From the core of the cotton swab, cut off the pieces and make them into caps for miniature bottles. Attach the dispenser to the golden bottle. The new doll perfume is ready. From the details of pink and gold flowers, collect a glamorous semicircle handbag. Carefully glue the top of the bag. At the ends of the gold chain, fasten narrow strips, then attach the finish handle to the purse. Carefully cut a hole. Decorate with a sticker with Rapunzel. Let's see what's inside. Beautiful! Cut the brush from a lip gloss. Decorate it with pink tape. The small tip of the cotton swab is fixed on a plastic rod. From a thin mother-of-pearl plastic, make a cup. Place a miniature brush and sponge in it. A circle of sparkling foam paper is decorated with a photo of Cinderella. Glue the rhinestones in a circle. In a plastic mug, make a hole with a glue gun. Glue the side of the strip of foam paper. On 2 circles of foam paper, place beautiful shiny sectors and matte blue-green stripes. Glue the finished mugs on the plastic base with a hole. Using a thin tube, fasten the levels and assemble a tiered palette with shadows. On the lid there is a wonderful Cinderella, a favorite fairy tale princess. Barbie is really pleased. With such shadows, one can make the most stylish makeup. Look at the miniature doll makeup. It's just like the real thing. What do we see here? Gentle lotion, perfume with a floral fragrance, a wonderful palette with shadows and blush. Barbie is beautiful. She is ready for a party.